One thing we've wanted to do for a long time is go to the cross. So come with us today as we hire a scooter and make that journey all the way up to Benidorm Cross. So we have grabbed ourselves a couple of scooters. We've got the, like what you got in the UK, some are Lime, we got Voy in Northampton. In this place here, 3-time Benidorm. Two scooters, how much is it? 48 euro.
48 euros for the day.
For half a day. Yeah, pretty good. Going to take a ride up to the cross. We're down next to the casino. We're going to go up the road and wind round, and the cross is right up there behind all that. Been to Benidorm 7 times now, but never been to the cross, so that's why I'm doing this today. Show you guys what it's like, take you on the journey, and hopefully we don't die. Let's go. Oh, it's going really slow. Just be aware of that. If you stop, you're not going to get started again. This is hard work. It's tired yet?
Should have got a cab.
No, it's much more fun, isn't it? Fun on the scooters. What you've seen is, problem you got is the scooters won't go straight up the hill, so we have to go diagonal, zigzag.
Yep.
Because of the gradient. It's a bit crazy. Look at the view from here, look where we are.
Going back down is going to be a lot of fun though.
Oh yeah, we're quite high as you can see. There's still buildings towering over us. Wow, look at that. That building there. How high is that? Wouldn't like to be in one of them. No way. Time for a little drink. There's a bar at the top in there. So we made it as far as the scooters can take us. Chain them up to a lamppost. Hopefully you shouldn't go anywhere. And from now it's all on foot. Not too far, just up the hill over there. From here it's a bit dodgy on foot, so you're not going to be able to do it if you're not mobile enough. Interesting here, look, it shows a picture of the original cross. They took it through the streets of Benidorm, along the seafront. And that's the cross right there. You might not be able to pick that up on camera, it's a cross, and that's them carrying it through the streets. Can you imagine that? Wow, that's the original cross, not the one that's up there now. And they carried that all the way to the top. Loads and loads of men. At the end of 1961, at the request of Father Salvador Perona, people from Benidorm, in an evangelizing mission in order to redeem the city from its frivolous reputation. Benidorm, frivolous reputation. What do they mean by that? Carried a huge cross on their shoulders from San Jaime and Santa Ana Church to Sierra Helida. Over the years, the cross has become another of Benidorm's beautiful tourist attractions. Well, after all that, let's go and see if it is.
We are just the same height as the tallest building in Benidorm.
All right, yeah. So we're pretty much, if you see the building just there, we're pretty much the tallest building in Benidorm. Yeah. So now we begin the trek on foot. It's like when we was in Thailand, where we went up that big.
The similar island.
Yeah. I wonder if the view's going to be as good as it was then. When we went to Sal Rock, was it? And Sumerian Islands?
Similar islands.
Yeah, Sumerian Islands. So if you want to watch that video where we went to Sumerian Islands, it's just here. You can come back and watch it afterwards, or just search it on the channel. Did you go up enough steps yesterday when the lift broke down?
No, obviously not.
So that's why you like doing this as well.
Yeah. Gotta get them steps in.
God. Oh, come on, it must be near there now. It's just like a staircase. It's going to be worth it in the end. It's okay, I found the sign. The cross is over here somewhere. It's over there. Oh, it's there. Wow, look at it. Wow, this is something I wanted to do for a long time. Come up to the cross. Oh, little signs and dedications to people. Look at this. Loads of messages for loved ones past. Dedications of rocks. So, wow, look at that. That's the view. That's amazing, that is.
How many skyscrapers are there?
Yeah, that just goes to show how big Benidorm is. Look at all the skyscrapers. And all these yesterday had problems with the lift, so the fire brigade was up and down non-stop. And you can see the big rock up there. Has it got a bit missing in it? No. The tower's supposed to be that a giant kicked that out, and that's why Benidorm Rock is there. Here's the cross. A house. What an amazing house. Imagine sitting there, living there. Now it's time to put us on the map. Got our own travelling veteran sticker. I'm going to put this on the cross. Whoa, it is so windy. Where's my bag? It's so windy, nearly lost the bag. Cross is here. This is where the sticker's going, right here. If you see it, tag us on Instagram, Travelling Veteran, and we'll give you a shout out. Only one way back now, and that's back down. See you when you get there. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, then please give it a like, comment, and just subscribe if you can. We've got loads of these type of videos coming up. We're in Benidorm quite a bit, so we've got loads of Benidorm videos coming up. And some other videos around the world. We've not long come back from Mexico. Soon I'll be going to Turkey, so I'm going to be doing different videos all around the world. I know a lot of you watch this on TV, so what I've done, especially for you guys, I've made a QR code right here, and that will take you straight to the YouTube channel where you can subscribe. What that does is it opens the channel up to more people, also makes the channel bigger and better. We can do more things in the future, and it shows a little bit of appreciation for the amount of hours that I have to put into editing the videos, which you don't realise it takes a very long time. That's all I ask, is just a little subscribe. Whoa, that's a hard day. It's 4:30 now, I've got a little bit of time left. Stop for a quick beer. Only one because of driving. Yeah, that's nice. That's what I needed, a mahusiv. And you've got a strawberry daiquiri.
Daiquiri, yeah.
She says daiquiri. It's not, it's daiquiri, isn't it?
No, daiquiri.
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 Is it strong?
I don't know, I can't get it through the straw.
Oh, this is nice. This is what Spain's about. Look, sitting on the beach, park the bikes up there. Right, come to Spain, have a few beers, but don't be an idiot. That's the rule, really. Too many people are idiots, aren't they?
Yeah. And then we all get judged.
Yeah, and then they judge the English. Oh, we're all idiots. No. Come to Spain, enjoy it. Day drinking, whatever you want to do.
Within reason.
Like, yeah. So this is $2.50. How much was that?
€6.50, I think.
$6.50 for that. It's not bad.